Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to mirror your wallet from Klever into the Tronlink phone app. It is super simple and easy to do. The most important part of the equation is if you have multiple wallets inside of Klever, that you select the correct wallet that you want to be mirroring, okay, in this process. So you're keeping track. So like if you have multiple accounts inside of your wallet, okay, which you can, then you want to be on that wallet when you mirror it. So I'm actually going to go and I'm going to mirror, for example, this particular wallet here because it has some funds in it, so we can see it populate. Alright, now in the bottom right there are the circle with 3 lines. Sometimes people refer to those as the hamburger lines, but you would tap on that and then you're looking for the backup wallet. It's in the security section with the red icons, okay? When you tap on that, it's going to ask you for your PIN number, or you know, if like you have an iPhone with facial recognition, it did what it just did on my screen. And then here it says security alert, your seed or private key give direct access to your account. Never give this information to others. Never, okay? Because it really is the key to your wallet. It's going to restore your wallet in a new location for you. And then you're just going to tap on OK, got it. Now here you actually have the opportunity to pick which one you want. So right now it's in BTC. I'm going to go over into the red TRX, and now I have to find the account that I want to restore. Okay, so once you tap on this, it's actually going to expose the private key. So I was going to give the example with the BB2 account, so I'm going to tap on that. It's going to show my private key. I'm going to blur that out. Now you have to tap on the stack papers. It's going to copy your private key. Okay, and then we're going to go over into Tronlink. Now Tronlink, this is on the iPhone for this video, Tronlink Pro. It's the same application, but there's a little bit of different terminology on the bottom of the screen. I don't know why. It's the same, you know, buttons, same places, but for this example, because I already have a wallet, I'm going to show you how you would add a wallet inside. If you were starting fresh, then you would just follow the prompts to the point where you're restoring the wallet. Typically, the first thing Tronlink does is it makes you create a password, and you have to write it once and then confirm it. That password, this is a decentralized application, meaning there's no email address that you're putting in. There's no identifier to you. It's, you know, it's just personal to you because it's on your phone. So you write down that password. It's hypercritical. You write down the password, because if you forget the password, the only way to, you know, again, get your wallet back is to restore it again, because you're not going to be able to do a forgot password. So I just want to point that out. Now we're going to tap on that globe to hit a plus sign there. And you'll see on the screen, it gives me options on how to import the wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and I copied the private key in Klever. I'm going to tap on private key here. You can see there's other options. I'm familiar with the mnemonic, that's the 12-word seed phrase, but in Tronlink specifically, the private key is the best and fastest way, so just tap on that. And then right here it says enter private key, and then below in the lighter it says enter private key or scan the QR code. I'm going to tap inside that box. You can see the cursor goes there. I'm going to tap again because that will, you know, create that I'm trying to do something in that box. And there's the paste. I'm going to paste my private key. Okay, I'm going to tap on the done and see how the blue buttons loaded up. And now I'm just going to click on next step, and now it's loading that wallet. That wallet actually already existed inside of here. So let's see, let's just get a, well, okay. It's loading. Now you set a name for the wallet. So this one was account 4. I'm click on done. Next step. Now I have to create a password specifically for this particular wallet. Done. And then next step. I have to confirm the password. Whoops. So I made a mistake. So I'm going to go back to the first one, and I'm going to make sure that I'm paying more attention. And again, I highly recommend that you are writing this down and then confirm. And now it's loading account 4. This wallet has been now restored. I actually I had the first wallet that I attempted to restore is already in this Tronlink account. account, so I picked another one, account 4, which had a 0 balance. But anyways, it restored. If you had a monetary value of Tron in one, it would automatically reflect in here. It's just mirroring it, and now you have access to Tronlink here. Now, specifically, I've seen there's 2 ways to go into the browser, and I'll do that really quickly in this video just so you're aware. So in the bottom you see browser, you tap on that, and then right there in the box you would just tap in there and you paste in the link. And then for me, I would tap on done and it would load. You can see also there's a history. I'll have that blurred out of other contracts that I interact with, but that's where it will exist in the future, and you just tap on that and it'll load automatically, which is the great thing about smart contracts. It interacts with the wallet address, which is really cool. So back over to asset again, and then if you have multiple accounts, right around where you see it says account 4, if I tapped on that, it'll give me this thing here, and you can slide the colors up and down, and it goes to my other wallets in there. And then once you select one, then it will open that wallet. So that's how you navigate between your wallets. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. Take care. Make it a great and prosperous day.